Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox and set up the PS5 Slim wall stand. So this is not officially provided by Sony, but we can buy through third party vendors out there. Anyways, let's unbox it, check its quality and mount our PS5 Slim on the wall using this wall stand. Here is the parcel, so I bought it online. If you're interested, I will put the link in the video description. So nice packaging by the seller. And here we have it. So the brand name is PG Tech. Suspension bracket compatible with PS5 Slim series consoles. So if you have a PS5 Slim, it can work. And by looking at the picture, I'm assuming that we can mount two of our DualSense controllers as well. On the side we have this sticker. On the back we have some of the things I think which are provided and the user manual. So it has a hole calibration label, two brackets to hold your controller, one base for the PS5 Slim or the suspension bracket. We got our bracket. We also have a screwdriver, which is great. And I don't know if it has yes, so it has a console fixing screw as well, so that when you place the console on top of the stand, you can screw it from the bottom so that the console does not fall off. So first of all, we're going to use the calibration label, then we're going to drill holes on the wall, then we're going to tighten the base, and then we can put our PS5 and use the screws. So I'm going to show it when we're going to install it. On the other side there's nothing, and on the bottom it has the model, which is GP256. So that's all. Let's open it. First of all, our calibration label right here, which is basically a sticker so that we can easily drill holes. Other than that, we have our screwdriver, our rowel plugs, the screws, and a screw to mount our PS5 with the stand. Other than that, we have our actual mount. So I bought it in the white color. I think it also comes in the black color as well, but with the white PS5, white color matches a lot. So we have this full metal plate, which is nice so that it can easily hold the PS5 Slim's weight. Full white color. On the bottom we have the screw so that we can tighten with the PS5. On the back we have 4 holes so that we can mount it with the wall. On the front we have 2 of these holders so that we can use these mounting brackets, and it's going to go something like this, and our PS5 controllers can lie here. And the other thing is that these mounting brackets are made up of plastic because the controllers are not very heavy. However, the main base or bracket is made up of metal. So let me just show you how you can fix it up on your wall. So I found no use of the sticker plate, mainly because there is no way to level it when I'm going to paste it on the wall, and also no level is provided. So I had this level tool lying around on my home. So I'm going to place it and then level it on the wall and then mark the holes for the screws. Once I have marked the 4 holes using the level, then I can use the sticker for better guidance, but again a level is much necessary for this job. So having the level and then this additional sticker helps me a lot to better mark the location. So now I'm going to drill the wall. So now I'm going to hammer in the 4 rowel plugs that are provided. And now I'm going to tighten in the 4 screws also with the rowel plugs. And you can see I have left some space between the screws and the wall, and there is a reason for it. So when I'm going to mount the plate, it's going to have this big hole right here and then the smaller hole. So what I'm going to do is to push in from the big holes and then slide it down to the smaller gaps that it has. And it's going to do 2 things. First of all, it's going to hold it, and secondly we can further align and tighten the screws if it is not aligned or balanced. For that, first of all, I'm going to place my level. So I can see it's a little bit unbalanced. I'm going to just move it to balance it, and then I'm going to tighten it. And once the mount has been screwed to its place and it's secure, we can place our PS5. So on the PS5, if I can show you, there's basically this hole right here which you need to open because it has a screw hole. So you can pull it and you can see this little hole right here, and you can place your PS5 only in one direction with this particular stand. So once you have placed it, you're going to see all the cuts align, and this is important when which I should tell you at the beginning, when you're drilling the hole, make sure that you align the PS5 correctly, because in this way you can see the disk drive is forward. If it was in the opposite direction, then the wall would not allow me to do so. So now what I'm going to do is to use the screw that is provided within the kit, if the camera can focus on it, and I'm going to screw it from the bottom to the PS5 to secure it. And the best thing is that the kit comes with two of these screws. Both of them are of the same size, but it's good to have two of them. So you can use any coin to tighten it if you do not have a flathead screwdriver lying around. So you really don't need to tighten it very much, because its main purpose is to secure the PS5 from accidentally falling, and you can see it is in its place pretty much because of these locks. So if I zoom out, here I have my TV at the bottom, and here I have my PS5 Slim on the wall. So now you can mount the controller holders as well that are provided, something like that. These are not very much secure, so you have to look on these things when you're mounting your controller, and your controller is going to go something like this, which looks really cool and organized. So now I'm just going to wire the PS5 with the HDMI and power cable and show you how it looks with the wall and the TV. Here you can see, guys, I have the PS5 Slim mounted on the wall with the wall mount, and below I have my TV. Unfortunately, I do not have much space on the wall, that's why the TV is on the table and the PS5 Slim is on the wall. If I had more real estate on the wall, I would definitely had the PS5 alongside with the TV. Anyways, this was the unboxing and setup video of the PS5 Slim wall stand. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.